jumping off the dock here in a minute and heading north. 3 days to Mackinac. Well, 40 hours, so 2 days. Lots of fruit. We kind of overdid it on the fruit. Packing up food. This bike thing. Basically gonna use it as like a stroller for the boys. That's gonna go underneath Hobie's V-berth. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Most of it's packed away. Fill the water tanks, fill the gas tanks, pump out, and then we're good to go. The wind's already switched around to the west, so yeah, this is prime time. As soon as we're done packing, we're out of here.
We are not sneaking into the Grand Hotel's pool.
Yes!
You watching the water, Charlie?
We're doing good. A little bit of rain, really calm weather, motoring along. Tomorrow's supposed to pick up some wind. The boys are a little tense. I'm tired and cranky, so maybe they're not as bad. Maybe I'm the problem. You guys are awesome, by the way. This is great. Can we do this all day tomorrow? Just color, get along, play.
Yes.
Awesome.
My friends feel it's their appointed duty. They keep trying to tell me all you want to do is use me. But my answer ain't all that use me stuff. I want to spread the news that if it feels it's good getting used, oh, you just
Made it through last night. Doing watches, didn't get much sleep. We had good winds last night. A little bit of lightning. And yeah, we're making really good time, and we should be pulling in around 1, 2 o'clock tonight. If we keep up this speed, and hopefully we get a little bit more wind to help us along. Yeah, it'd be awesome.
Hey.
You gotta figure, like, what are the odds? Like, when we left yesterday, and we're on a collision course with this guy.
Dad, watch me do assignment.
Okay. Whoa!
Assignment
Simon trick.
trick. You want to try it?
Oh, I don't think I can. Not while I'm holding Charlie.
Yes.
Where'd Simon come from?
How do you can just go past it. Dad, come with me.
Okay.
Here. Wow, it's a place. There's just really little way. And those cars are not quick fast. They're kind of slow.
Don't lean too far.
And there's little ways.
Oh my god, it is so beautiful out here right now. I am so incredibly happy. I wish that I could just have this night forever. I mean, just water's clear and beautiful, it's calm. Kids are happy, except I can hear them crying now. Just putting stuff away and just cruising along. Oh my god, this is just awesome.